body like a whiplash. It's all my wounds, but I can't heal the way I feel about you. I watch you like a hawk. I watch you like I'm gonna tear you limb from limb. Will the hunger ever stop? Can we simply starve this sin? That little kiss you stole, it held my heart and soul. And like a deer in the headlights, I meet my fate. Don't try to fight the storm, you'll tumble overboard. Tide will bring me back to
so alone in this world. I've got no one to hold. The time's ticking by, and it's starting to show. The leaves turn brown as bitterness grows. Snow falls down, stress is taking its toll. I can't change my past, I can only amend a loop of paranoia. This is what I condemned, hanging off the edge, and my strength is slipping. It got to my head, now my blood is dripping, being drowned by my tears. But there's nothing I can do, so I ask of you. Take my hand, I'm falling again, screaming for help, it's all in my head. I call your name, hoping you'll hear the crashing waves from my river of tears. I feel so alone. Do you think that you could stay for a while to see me face my fears when I go stand trial for covering up my scars by forging a smile? But you know me, I always go the extra mile. To bottle it up
feeling tweaked out and faded. God help you, darling, 'cause my love is drying up. You feel so lovely when you touch me, but I can't do this anymore. The guilt on my back, feel that so much sadness. Baby, it's too late to talk. I feel like we're drifting apart. Talk shit, babe, say it like you wanna leave. You love me like cocaine, yeah. Don't like, get it right, need me every night. You love me like cocaine. I heard your friends say that you think you're better off. Don't pretend to love me when you're falling in love. I need to know the truth, 'cause you're talking like you're